Let me introduce our glass candle jars. These are top sellings: black, clear, white, and frosted. People really love this. We offer a wide range of colored candle jars: gray, dark blue, orange, nude, navy blue, yellow, pink, green. And you can also customize your preferred colors. See these frosted candle jars, they are really pretty. Green, blue, ombre blue, teal, ombre purple, rose red, red. Our 3-wick candle jars have different sizes and colors: gray, black, frosted, and clear. And customization is also available. These are cube candle jars. These are leopard candle jars: blue, orange, black, and pink. Really beautiful and unique. These are rainbow candle jars. They shine and change colors. These are electroplated candle jars. Different sizes available. You can choose glossy or matte finishes, up to your style. Our candle jars have straight side and round bottom. You decide. We offer a variety of lids to match your candle jars: metal lid, bamboo lid, cork lid, and glass lid. We offer a comprehensive range of customization techniques: labeling, hot stamping, screen printing, embossed. We also offer diffuser bottles. Apothecary candle jars. bare candle jazz.